Hello everyone and welcome to Let's Learn English Online. Today we are going to discuss the phrasal verbs that would start with M and N. So let's get started. Our phrasal verb is make do with, which means that use something less satisfactory as an alternative. Observe its use in sentence construction. Here, due to lack of chairs, we had to make do with a pile of boxes, which means that as there were no chairs, so the student or specific people have to use the boxes pile as an alternative to chairs. Let's move towards our second phrasal verb, that is make for. Make for means to move in the direction of or to head for somewhere. Let's observe its sentence construction. Here, let's make for the exit way before it becomes crowded, which means that the speaker is saying that they must move in the direction of exit so that they could quickly move out before it would become crowded. Let's discuss our third phrasal verb, which is make oneself out and out to be, which means that claim to be or pretend to be. Let's observe its sentence construction. Here, in order to find more details, he made himself out to be a journalist. Hence the meaning is coming out quite clear that in order to find more details, a specific person had to pretend to be a journalist. Let's move towards our fourth phrasal verb, that is make over. Make over means to legally make someone the owner of something. Let's observe its use in sentence construction. Here, she made over all her property to her children before her death, which means that a specific lady had legally made her children the owner of her property before her death. Let's discuss our fifth phrasal verb, which is move in. Move in means to arrive in a new home or office. Let's observe its sentence construction. Here, they are moving in their new house after 1 month, which means that the specific people are moving or arriving in their new home after 1 month. Let's discuss our sixth phrasal verb, that is narrow down. Narrow down means to reduce a list or a number of options. Let's observe its sentence construction. Here, the list of headings has been narrowed down to 5 points, which means that the list of long headings might have reduced to 5 points. Let's discuss the seventh phrasal verb, that is name after. Name after means to give the same name as another person. Let's observe its sentence construction. Here, she wanted her son to be named after his grandfather, which means that a specific person or lady wanted her son to be given the same name as his grandfather. Let's discuss our eighth phrasal verb, that is nod off. Nod off means to fall asleep. Let's observe his sentence construction. Here, he often nods off in front of the television, which means that a specific person always falls asleep in front of the television. Let's discuss our ninth phrasal verb, that is nose about or nose around. It means to try to discover something by searching. Let's observe the sentence construction. Here, the manager hates people nosing around his desk, which means that the manager always hates those people who try to discover by searching things around his desk. Let's discuss our last phrasal verb, that is note down. Note down means to write something down. Let's discuss the sentence construction. Here, the students were busy noting down the important points of their lecture, which means that the students were writing down the important points of their lecture. So this is it for today. See you in the next video. Stay tuned with Let's Learn English Online for more informative videos.